rich, let's get straight to it. This is episode 1 of Rugged Mastery and we're starting with the simplest method. Launching a meme coin on Pump.fun and flipping it for a profit. No overcomplications, just easy money. Let's go! If you don't have Phantom wallet, go download it. This is your main wallet for launching and taking profits. Set it up, save your seed phrase somewhere safe, and found it is on Solana. You need at least one Solana to cover everything. Now that you got your Phantom wallet ready, head over to Pump.fun. This is where you're gonna launch your token. Connect your Phantom wallet and you're ready to go. This part is key. You don't just name your token randomly. Check the meta bot in our Discord. It tracks trending words people are aping into. Pick a word with hype, so snipers and DJs FOMO in instantly. Every token needs a face. You can throw something together in Canva, Photoshop, or use AI to generate one. Doesn't need to be fancy, just clean, simple, and related to the meme. Now, launch time. Pick your trending name, come up with a ticker that fits, keep it short and recognizable, then upload a logo that matches the meme. Doesn't have to be perfect, just something that looks legit enough for people to ape in. Once that's set, hit deploy. Pump.fun will automatically add base liquidity and send your token live. Boom, you just got yourself your first meme coin. Alright, quick pro tip before we move on. When launching, you want to invest exactly 0.86 SOL as the depth. This gives you 2.99% of the supply, just under 3%. Why does this matter? If you go over 3%, the site rounds it up to 4%, and that scares off snipers and early investors. Keeping it under 3% makes it look cleaner and more people will buy in. Small detail, but it makes a big difference. Now that you're set, it's time to let the snipers do their thing and secure the bag. Once the snipers and early investors are in, it's time to sell everything at once and lock in the profit. The key here is speed. Get in, sell and move on before that chart turns against you. If you want to take this to the next level, start saving up and use Vortex, the best free bundler out there. It makes everything faster and cleaner. You can find it in our Discord, where we also got free community posts to help track and rugpull, free courses breaking down every method step by step, free community rugpulls coming soon, and straight up tools and strategies to secure the bag. See you in the next one.